Your question is, Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposit rupees 600 per month for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account if the interest at the rate of 10% per annum. So we have to remember one formula. What is that? MV, maturity value, that is equal to number of times he had deposited that money. That means suppose we have taken this as P. P is rupees 600. For 20 months he had deposited. So this is your N. So we can say N is equal to 20. So here we will write it as P into N first. P into M, that is Pm. First. Second, we have to calculate the interest. So interest is calculated by P, principal, into, next is your sum of the months. Sum of the months. So here 20 is there. So sum of the month we have learnt in our 10th class only. What we have learnt? That is nothing but N into N by plus 1 by 2. By 2. And the number of months is calculated in a year, that is 12 months. So here it will come as into 12. Into rate of interest, that is R by 100. So here we will write I, or we can write this formula also. P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now substitute the values. Yeah. If you substitute the values, here and we will get it. P is 600. 600 and N is 20. Pn. So we will get 12000 plus P is 600 into, next is N is 20. 20 into 21. 20 into 21 by 2 into 12 into R. R they have given you 10%. So 10 by 100. Now reduce. So this will be 10, 10 gone. This is one more 0 gone. Here 2 is there, 2 is gone. Now reduce it by 3. So here it will be 4 and this will be your 7. Now reduce this by this 600, we can write it as 6 into 100. Just reduce by 4. So 6 into 25 is 150. So here it will be 150. So now we have to solve this. We will get 12000 plus 150 into 7. That is 0, 35, 3 carry, 7, 10. So now your total maturity value is rupees 13050. So like this we have to do it.